morning to everybody. So we are doing the exercise 1.3. Look at the question number 2. Given that 1 by 7 equal to 0.142857 bar. That bar is for whole thing 142857. That means after decimal 142857 is repeating again and again. So it is a rational number. It is a rational number. The decimal expansion of rational number is what? Either terminating or non-terminating repeating. Now, can you predict what the decimal expansion of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7? Now tell me dear, 2 by 7 can be written as 2 into, yes, 1 by 7. So the value of 1 by 7 already it is given for you. That means 2 into 0.142857 bar. Now, when we are dividing 1 divided by 7, we are getting as, what is that? After 142857, it is repeating 142857 again and again. Now, after decimal point, consider the first two digits, that is 14, multiply by 2. 14 2s are how much? 28. So, 0.28. And then after that, after 8, what you are having? 5, 7. Then again come back here, 1, 4. Then 2857, 1, 4, 1, 4 bar. Are you getting what is the meaning of that? Then after decimal, 2857, 1, 4 will repeat again and again. Now 3 by 7. 3 by 7 means what? 3 into 1 by 7. That is 3 into 0.142857 bar. That is after decimal we are having 1 4 here, 14 3s are 42. So 0.42, 2 after 857, then again come back to the original, that is 1 bar. So this is the value of 3 by 7. Now come to the 4 by 7. 4 by 7 is nothing but 4 into 1 by 7. That means 4 into 0.142857 bar. Am I right dear? Now 14 4s are how much? 56. That means 0.5. 5 after 7. Then again come back 1428 bar. Are you getting dear? Yes. Now come to the 5 by 7 now. So 5 into 1 by 7. That means 5 into 0.142857 bar. 14 5s are 70. So 0. Here where it starts 7. 7 starts from here. 7. Again come back here 14285 bar. Are you getting dear? Yes. Now 6 by 7. That means what? 6 into 1 by 7. That means 6 into 0.142857 bar. 14 6 are 84. So where it starts 8 here? 8 starts here. So 0.857142 bar. This is a value of 6 by 7. Are you getting dear? Yes. Shall we move to the next question? Yeah. The next question is, express the given decimal in the form of P by Q. That is question number 3. Question number 3 now. Express the given decimal, that is 0 point in the form of P by Q. The first part is what? 0.6 bar. That is x is equal to 0.6 bar. These can be written as, what is the meaning of 0.6 bar? Yes, after decimal 6 is repeating again and again. Am I right? Let it be equation number 1. It's a non-terminating decimal. and repeating, non-terminating and repeating. Now multiply by 10. Multiply by 10 on both sides. So 10 into x is 10x. So 10 into 0.6666 and goes on. That means 10x is equal to 6.666. Now compare these equation 1 and 2. So we are getting the same decimal value. Here also 0.666. Here also 0.666. So at that time, let it be equation number 2. Now subtract 2 minus 1. That is, we are trying to get the same decimal value. We are trying to get the same decimal value. Are you getting here? Yes. Now we got the same decimal value here from equation 1 and 2. Now subtract. So 10x is equal to 6.6666 and goes on. And then first equation is x is equal to 0.6666. Now subtract now. 10x minus x is 9x. 6 minus 0 is what? 6 here. So x is equal to 6 by 9, which is equal to, reduce into the lowest form, which is equal to 2 by 3. 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So x is equal to 2 by 3. So we expressed in the form of P by Q. We expressed in the form of P by Q. Now come to the second subdivision. 0.47 bar. That is, bar is only for 7, not for 47. Now, so what is the meaning of that? After decimal 4, 7 is repeating again. That means x is equal to 0.47777 and goes on. Are you getting here? Now multiply by 10 now. Multiply by 10 now after that. So 10x is equal to, if you are multiplying by 10, what will you get? That is equation number 1. If you are multiplying by 10, what will you get? 4.7777 and goes on. Am I right here? Now are you getting the same decimal value? No. Here we are having 4777. Here we are having 7777. Am I right? So let it be equation number 2. Now again multiply by 10 here in this equation. Again multiply the second equation by 10. You will get 100x is equal to, here we are going to multiply by 10. Then you have to shift one decimal from left to right. So 47.7777 and goes on. Let it be equation number 3. Now are we getting the same decimal value in the equation 2 and 3? Yes. Here we are having 777. Here also we are having 777. So subtract equation 3 minus 2. That means what? 100x is equal to 47.7777 and goes on. And then here 10x is equal to 4.7777 and goes on. Now subtract now. 100 minus 10x is 90x is equal to 47 minus 4 is 43. So x is equal to 43 by 90. If it is possible to reduce into the lowest form, do that. Otherwise, you can stop it here. So therefore, the decimal expansion of 0.47 bar is in the form of P by Q is 43 by 90. 43 by 90. Are you getting there? Yes. Now, move to the third subdivision now. It's given that 0.001 bar. Shall we move to the third one? Third subdivision, x is equal to 0.001 bar. So what is the meaning of that? X is equal to 0.001, 001, 001 and goes on. Am I right here? Yes. Now multiply by 10. So you have to shift to one decimal place. Then it will be 0.01, 001, 001 and goes on. Am I right here? Yes. Let it be equation number 1 you can take. Then again multiply by 10 again with the second equation. So 10 into 10, 100x is equal to, again you have to shift to one decimal place. Then it will become 0.100, 100 and goes on. Let it be equation number 3. Now are you getting the same decimal value from the equation 1, 2 and 3 anywhere? No. Here 0, 0, 1, here 0, 1, 0, here 1, 0, 0. Right? So we didn't get the same decimal value. Again multiply by 10, then it will become 1000x is equal to, so you have to shift one decimal place, then it will become 0.001, 001, 001 and goes on. That will be equation number 4. Now compare the equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. From the equation 1 and 4, we are getting the same decimal value 001, 001, 001. Here also 001, 001, 001 here. So what we can do now, subtract fourth equation minus first equation. It gives 1000x is equal to 1000x is equal to 0.001, 0.001, 001, 001 and goes on. Here what we did, here we did a mistake, sorry dear. It should be 1.001. Here we are shifting one decimal place, then it is 1.001, 001, 001. Are you getting here? 1000x is equal to what? We are shifting one decimal place, then it will be 1.001, 001, 001 and goes on. Now, then first equation is what? X is equal to 0.001, 001, 001 and goes on. Now subtract now. Now 1000x minus x is 999x is equal to, here it is 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 999. We expressed in the form of p by q. We expressed in the form of p by q. Are you getting there? Yes. So tomorrow we will continue the fourth question. Thank you everybody. Thank you.